Good morning, Goa. Good morning, my fellow citizen. Today being a happy environment day, I would like to talk today on the ports building of Panjim Custom Jetty, which is going to be a unique structure, a unique building, a unique iconic for the capital of Goa, which is Panjim. And it would be a pride for our Goan to have this building and to have this project which will make Goa a good tourism state. I am sure that the Captain's Port Authority, the government, they must have surely taken a permission from GCZMA, from NGPDA and from CCP, Panjim Municipality, and Goa State Pollution Board. And I am sure CRZ clearance has been done. But Indian Port Act 1908, the compliance has been done, and compliance has been done by ISPS code by Intelligence Bureau of India and Director General of Shipping with regards to the safety and security, and it's meet the international norms of ISPS code. To the rapid EIA study has been done by the National Institute of Oceanography, and the construction have started in 2012, and I remember when I was a small kid in 1960, what a wonderful, I can cherish my memories when my mom and my dad took me on a steamer ship which was coming from Bombay to Goa, Goa to Bombay. What a fun it was. As a small kid, I could enjoy the journey. I could see the tourists, I could see the class of people and the system, how it was being operated. It was a lovely, lovely feeling. And that is how I remember. And I would like to raise my voice to my Goa, Moje Goinkar Bawak, ki Baba, ata ami utok zai, amka infrastructure zai, amka beautification zai, amka bore modern technology zai, amche goy amka woyrelle zai, amche goyak, amcha youthak employment create जाल्ले जाय. आणि असले प्रोजेक्ट आयज तर आमच्या गांवांत, आयज तर आमचे पणजे सिटीक, आमच्या कॅपिटलाक एकदम बरें व्हडलें प्रायड and it is a beautification and tourist, and it would be an attracted place in the Indian states, and Goa is a diamond for India, So I please appeal to my Goan brothers to support this project. Don't come and make problem with High Court, with stay and all this making complication. Yes, we need to stop certain project which Goa government is doing. But this project is a unique project. See, we are playing. We should not play politics. These are some projects which our state economy can grow, where our employment for our beloved youth, girls, boys can get job. We can put terms and conditions to the Indian government, the shipping corporation, and the ports of custom in Panjim. We can put affidavit in front of the government saying that 100% the job creation for this project, for this iconic building should be for Goans, only Goans. That is how Goa we should fight, my Goenkarandu. Ami e bashen fight korunk jai. Not that 400 packs of auditorium khala. Okay, auditorium khala, let us make it, there might be some good plan, to have just the way you have airport. Like that should be the shipping port. Like that should be the auditorium. If it is for casino, okay, we will undertake and we will find out. We will see what can be done. and how we can avoid casino and we can destroy certain bad feelings if Goans are having. So we have to be clear. म्हजो उपकार, म्हजो एक तुमचे लागी मागणी, आज जोडून हांव मागणी करता म्हज्या गोंयकार भाव आनी भयणांक, हो प्रोजेक्ट सपोर्ट कराय, हो प्रोजेक्ट कोर्टाक व्हरो नाकाय, हो प्रोजेक्टाक तांको दियाय, असल्या प्रोजेक्ट आमच्या गोंयाक येवूं दी. इट इज नॉट destroying the ecological system. हो पोर्ट, हो जो पणजे पोर्ट आहा तो एक इंटरनॅशनल लेवलाच्या भाशेन एक आमचो एअरपोर्ट जाल्या भाशेन करपाचो. तितूंक जायती सिस्टम येतली, तितूंक जायते राडार सिस्टम येतली, तितूंक जायते सीसी कॅमेरा येतले, तितूंक नेविगेशनाची टेक्नॉलॉजी आसतली. बरे बरे व्हडले ऑफिसर आमच्या गोंयचे भुरगे काम करतले, गोंयच्या भुरग्यांक जॉब मेळटलो. कासिनो आणि पॉलिटिक्स आमी घेवची न्हू. वी शुड नॉट मिक्स. कासिनो तो युटिलायज करता रुल्स अँड रेग्युलेशन घालचे आणि कोणाकूच तर म्हज्या गोंयच्या भाव, गोंयच्या म्हज्या गोंयकारांक दो. आय सी डॉक्टर जो इज अ व्हेरी नायस मॅन. आय रिस्पेक्ट हिम. आय सॅल्यूट यू सर. आणि आमचो वाल्मिकी नायक, येस यू आर फायटिंग फॉर गोवा, बट आय थिंक this is a building existing there. It is not destroying. It is not a fraud building. It has all permission. Without this permission, they will not build. They are not, doing something to damage our capital. But it would be one day, remember my word, it would be a beautification. It would create employment. And if there is any problem, if you think there is a problem, sit with the authority. Sit with the people, sit with the government, find out solution, but let this project be done, because this project will create employment and the economy of our Goa state. We need to have economy. आमची इकॉनॉमी वयर सरोंक जाय, आमच्या भुरग्यांक जॉब मेळोंक जाय आणि हे भाशेन आमी मुखार फुडें वचोंक जाय. म्हजो एक गोंयकारांक उलो, जागे जायात. आमकां टेक्नॉलॉजी जाय, आमकां मॉडर्नायझेशन जाय, आमकां बरो इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर जाय, आमकां बरी लायफ जाय. जसो फॉरेन गांव चलता, जसो वर्ल्ड इज डेव्हलपिंग विथ मॉडर्न टेक्नॉलॉजी, वी शुड सपोर्ट, बट सपोर्ट विथ सॉल्युशन. सपोर्ट विथ द पीपल हू कॅन सिट with the government authority, with intellectual knowledge. Not just come on the road, make a morcha, make a shouting and make some sort of a noise and create nonsense. No, no. Please, my appeal for you, my Goan brothers, my Goan sisters, please let this project go. This project will be bringing the beautification for our capital, and we can make this as an airport. Like the way you have airport, seaport, where tourism can be promoted, when things can have such a nice life there. We can have a road map with the captains of the port, with the government, we can plan. So my appeal to you humbly on this particular day, that let us support this building to come up. Let us see if there is any minus point. If there is any problem, let us sit with the authority. We all are Goan. You are Goan who is objecting. I am Goan and they are Goan. It is for Goinkar. So आम्ही एक मोठानी बसया, एक मोठानी आम्ही discussion करूया आणि वो आमचो captains of port building we should allow to happen. And I request you, and I am telling you today, you will remember that this, my words, that I spoke something great for my state of Goa. I thank you for hearing me so nicely, and I really want your feedback. If there is something which I have spoken is not correct, guide me. I am with you. But let us support this iconic building to come in our Panjim capital. Jai Hind, Jai Goa. All the best.